Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple Vision Pro, Apple's first ever mixed reality headset. This device has been highly anticipated by many, and it's finally here. So, how does it stack up? Let's find out. Design and features. The Vision Pro is a sleek and stylish device. It's made of high-quality materials, and it feels very solid and well-made. The headset is comfortable to wear, and it's adjustable to fit most head sizes. In terms of features, the Vision Pro is packed with them. It has two 4K Micro-OLED displays, a powerful M2 chip, and a wide range of sensors. This allows for a truly immersive AR experience. Performance. The Vision Pro performs incredibly well. The displays are sharp and clear, the M2 chip is fast and powerful, and the sensors are accurate. This all results in a smooth and seamless AR experience. Apps and games. The Vision Pro is still in its early stages, so there aren't a ton of apps and games available for it yet. However, the ones that are available are very impressive. For example, you can use the Vision Pro to play games like Beat Saber, watch movies in VR, and even use it for work or school. Battery life. The Vision Pro's battery life is a bit of a letdown. It only lasts for about 2 hours on a single charge. This is definitely something that Apple needs to improve on in the future. Comfort. The Vision Pro is comfortable to wear for short periods of time, but it can get a bit uncomfortable after a while. The headset is also a bit heavy, which can add to the discomfort. Field of view. The Vision Pro has a fairly narrow field of view, which can be limiting. This is something that Apple will need to improve on in future versions of the headset. Price. The Vision Pro is very expensive, costing $3,500. This is a high price for a headset, and it will likely limit its appeal to early adopters and professionals. Overall, the Apple Vision Pro is a very impressive device, but it's not without its flaws. The battery life is a bit of a letdown, the comfort could be improved, and the field of view is a bit narrow. However, the Vision Pro is still a powerful and immersive device, and it's sure to be a hit with early adopters and professionals. Here are some additional details about the Apple Vision Pro. The Vision Pro has two 4K Micro-OLED displays, which provide a sharp and clear image. The M2 chip is powerful and fast, which ensures a smooth and seamless AR experience. The Vision Pro has a wide range of sensors, including cameras, microphones, and motion sensors. These sensors allow for accurate tracking and interaction with the virtual world. The Vision Pro is compatible with a wide range of apps and games. These apps and games can be used for entertainment, education, and productivity. The Vision Pro is comfortable to wear for short periods of time. However, it can get a bit uncomfortable after a while. The Vision Pro has a fairly narrow field of view. This can be limiting, but it's not a deal breaker. The Vision Pro is very expensive. This will likely limit its appeal to early adopters and professionals. Overall, the Apple Vision Pro is a powerful and immersive device. It's sure to be a hit with early adopters and professionals. However, the battery life could be improved, the comfort could be improved, and the field of view could be wider. Thanks for watching my review of the Apple Vision Pro. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. See you next time.